It doesn't matter. Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we're going on Melbourne tram, and I'm gonna record this side. And oh, that's the distal. There's two trams. That's our tram right there. TP. Oh, they're not TPs. Set 5005. They will be able to see, but and 19 Fielder Street, Station City. 19. Oh, these are the ones that are cool. You can press the door. Oh. Oh. For me, it's free, but like I don't have very nice seats. Oh my god, they don't.
Don't sit here, we'll sit there.
We just have some fun. You see, they don't like to prepare. That's what we can do. Pretty old. I wanted to like the new one, but okay, we'll see now. And it's their big frustrating milk. And also, I got my new car. Oh. Milky. For me, it's free, but for the adults, it's not free. If you're under 18, you can have it for free, but if you're not under 18, you can't go for free. And I'm doing for one.
The next stop is Walker Street.
It's not kind of floating out. Also, it's a bit shaky. Oh yeah, Anyway, okay, now I'm just gonna have to zoom in. It kind of sucks to talk, but whatever. That's what I do. I'm going to upset. How are we going? Open the door again. But there's some people.
Tired.
Next stop is Gatehouse Street.
What? The next train. What do you mean? What do you mean? We get I think of this one, I don't know.
See?
I don't think so.
They have roads. This is tracks and roads here. So
Yeah.
it's not too big farther, so I got this one over here. Anyway, this time
Next stop is Howard Street.
Howard Street. Howard.
I like it at all. We don't want that, do we?
This is Howard Street.
You can show me when we get back home where it's safe. Yeah? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Last one. Number 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still got 4 stops. Caitlin.
Is Royal Melbourne
Got it.
Hospital. Follow here for the Royal Women's Hospital and Peter MacCallum Cancer Centre.
Maybe I would have to stand on.
Okay, baby?
No one. This is how those.
Open up.
This is how those.
Still in there?
No one goes. They deep in
I'll make it
like,
closed,
bye
okay?
bye. Bye bye.
Yeah?
Just no one wants to leave. Like this. I always want to leave. Maybe I should leave now.
Those keys. Go on. Put those down.
Oh.
Okay.
Next stop is Haymarket. Change here for Route 58 and 59.
Okay, go. I'm gonna go to stand, so how much is it? Is this possible to get out? Let's try this one before now.
The next stop is Queen Victoria Market. Change here for Route 57.
Excuse me, can you please move? Where?
No, what about it?
No, it's fine.
You can try to go there, try to a lot. Baba,
I'll do. That's taken now.
धेरै मान्छे हुन्छ नि सिडनी जस्तो हो क्या अहिले ट्रेनमा खाली हुन्छ ट्रेनमा जान्छ
ट्रेनमा को जाने ट्रेनमा फेरि
Oh.
सुन सुन त्यसो भने लड
I don't sit near the window.
तिमी यहाँ पाउँछौ त म उभिन्छु
There's a time. There's a seat over there.
होइन होइन यहाँ सलो म उभिन्छु
It's fine, I'll sit right
No,
there.
no, no, there's someone on with you. Sit, sit, sit.
I won't vomit. Someone vomit in the sand.
Sino mo yan? Building mo sa
I don't even want to vomit.
There's the Mikey card.
From yesterday.
Monday आजको आएकै रहेछ है 7-6 PM मा हामी ओर्लेछ
It's long. Naughty sister. Sister naughty. No, 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 no. Naughty, naughty, no. Oh, this is gonna be kind of lonely.
That's a lot.
And anyway, we're gonna go on the pepper line.
Last stop मा ओर्लेको छु
Here?
के कहाँ छ यसको लास्ट
Maybe just sets up.
टाउन हल होला
Our number is number 19, remember?
In the free tram zone. Trips entirely within the zone are free, so you don't need to touch on your Mikey. The next stop is Melbourne Central Station. Latrobe service. Change here for Route 30 and circle.
So we're going to city circle. Okay, now.
We haven't started anything.
Yeah. Now we just need to go. There's some old trains and some new trains. Trams. No, they're not trains. Oopsies. Sorry. Trains or trams. Oh.
We haven't started anything.
Oh my god. That's Melbourne. Maybe we were just. Maybe.
You haven't started?
These people sleeping. Can I sit over there? In case people can come. Oh, never mind. Take him. Meow, meow. This guy is so naughty. If I see serious. And after this, we're going on the train station. I hope there's no fire today. Yesterday there was a fire outside of the train station, but I don't know where it was. So it was crazy and there's so much people outside.
यो त अहिले त न्यु इयर सबैजना घुम्न आउने
Oak Street Hall. Change here for route 86 and 96.
Oh, we did safety for 96.
यहाँबाट चाहिँ
यो स्टेसनबाट चढ्यो
यहाँ छ
This literally. Should we get off?
अहिले किन झर्नु नेक्स्टमा
Okay. Yes. Fast. Move. Yes, we got the window. Someone got fully. Oh.
ट्रेन
A few I have never seen that. That's 96. Oh my god. Is milky? Is it using milky?
The next stop is Old Street. This will be the last accessible platform stop. Change here for route 11, 12,
As in,
48 and 109.
Not accessible level. That is
to me, is this terminating? Okay, it's guys, it's the last stop, so it's gonna terminate. So, what do you? Maybe they will switch. I don't know. It could swap spots. Switch spots, not swap. Switch spots, not switch spots. The last stop. Before the switch road. Is this no stop number 2? No 2. No 2. No means 2 number, by the way. So, okay, now. Everyone is getting off. So, I think someone like. Okay. Yeah, every stop you just open the doors.
We are currently in the free tram zone. Trips entirely within this zone are free, so you don't need to touch on your Mikey. The next stop is Old Street. Change here for route 11, 12, 48 and 109.
We all already know it's and of course I know that's on the swap. So it's gonna cause a little delay. Yeah, a little delay. So that's gonna be pretty. Oh, it's funny. See that wolf? Wolf. Here, there's the wolf called Macro. Isn't it funny? Because like it's just weird name for a wolf to turn name into Macro, but like it's not that funny. It's just kind of funny. Well, the Nintendo Switch costs $100.69. Oh, the Nintendo Switch costs $689. See, that's like a 30%. That's not like my last line noise, but anyway, we're going to go to the next stop. And while we're waiting here for Collins Street, I think our traffic lights are in though. Our plan also starts behind us. Well, by Macro Wolf. But I don't think they terminate. Oh yeah. Oh wait, it's just a yeah, we're switching track. We're switching. See, that's our overcut. You can't see. Now we're in this class. Last stop. All people should get off. It's like it's just like Perth. They just turn. Oh, there's another car. I think you can getting off. Everyone off. Everyone should be. Wait, is it? Do they? But remember the announcement. No, it's not no balance. Okay, whatever. Airport West, 59. We can go on. Is this the one? Can you go and do? I'm curious if I don't think those are just the ones that. Wait. So here's the whole zone here, 59. Here's the whole zone here, 59. So here's the whole zone here, 19. And completed. Good. Let's see. Bye bye.